What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to Claude. Once you're inside the Claude AI, click your account on the lower left hand side and click on settings. Now click on connectors from here on the lower left hand side and browse the connectors. There are a ton of connectors there, and if you scroll down you will be able to find your Google Drive there, so you can click on that. The only drawback to this is that you need to upgrade to Pro at least to be able to use this. But once you do, you're able to connect your Google Drive and you can see what you can actually do. You just need to go ahead and read and you'll be able to see what Claude allows you to do, right? You can help you to find specific documents anywhere you have on your Google Drive. It's also useful for finding projects, notes, and all those good stuff, right? So you are able to really pull information from files scattered all around your Google Drive. So it is super convenient, guys. And yeah, working with Claude and with Google Drive just simply makes sense. So if you ever want to use various apps, not only the Google Drive, then upgrade to at least the Pro version, which is $15 per month or 15 euros per month, let's say, and you're able to get a ton of benefits there once you upgrade. And as you can see here, let me go back and show you there's a ton of different apps that you could actually use there. Not only that, but you have a whole lot which is super convenient, and you also have desktop extensions that you could actually use as well, which is super convenient. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.